everyone. My name's Doris, and this is my bestest friend in the whole world, Dave.
Wow, Doris, isn't it amazing that we're going to be part of Trinity Square's award-winning light switch on?
It really is, Dave. Now come join us as we get ready for the big night.
Yeah! Wait, it's going to be so The square might not be too busy right now, but very soon it's going to be packed with people gathered to see some of the best acts in the region. Yeah! Whoa!
Speaking of acts, there's Trinity's Got Talent winner, Charlie Atchinson.
Also known as Mr. Cool.
You know it's not the same as it was. Hey, Charlie.
Oh, hi, Doris. Hi, Dave. I'm really practicing for the big night. I can't wait.
And look over there, Doris. It's our favourite characters from the Let It Glow show. Oh, I can't wait to see everyone at 4 o'clock on the 23rd of November for Trinity Square's best light switch on yet. Be there or be square.
Oh, but have you heard?
Heard what?
Because it's our 10th anniversary, we've managed to get a very special celebrity host.
Who?
We can't say it's a surprise. Come on. I'm so excited.
Ah, amazing.
Oh, I can't believe they've got top entertainer Ricky Kay on there again. Oh, I'll have to pop down to say hello. I'll see you all there, boys and girls. Come along and have lots of fun.